le monde veut la paix. C'est ça qu'on souhaite, quoi. Voilà, on a perdu beaucoup de parents. Moi, j'ai perdu ma propre femme. S'il n'y avait pas cette guerre, alors là, je venais avec elle ici m'asseoir.
In early 2012, an armed insurrection took control of the north of Mali. The conflict often pitted Malians against fellow Malians, inflaming social tensions among the area's diverse groups, tearing apart communities and sowing distrust. In June 2013, Oxfam and its partners interviewed nearly 2,000 people to hear directly how those affected by the conflict think the communities can reconcile. There was one thing nearly everyone agreed on. Despite conflicts since independence, the current crisis is the worst they have ever witnessed because it has ripped apart the social fabric. Sharif, a livestock farmer who lives just outside of Gao, said his family feels the tension and they fear the revenge attacks that have destabilized the local economy.
التمل الغافية يا الشغب التجربة الشغب تأكلي جرمانيس كنت لا جد الرأي أنا قامك تم غاسل خكوم تجد أنت من الشغب قام الشغب جرمانيس يا أنا مجرو.
Historically, communities from northern Mali are linked by social, economic, and cultural bonds. Intermarriages and strong economic ties have helped build and maintain social cohesion for centuries. But this recent crisis proved too much, and many were forced to flee the violence. Some fled to the south of Mali to escape violence and human rights abuses. Others, such as Badr, arrived in refugee camps in neighboring countries.
Donc je voulais la sécurité à ma petite fille. Et d'abord, elle a pris l'handicap du côté de la main gauche. Donc j'ai préféré qu'elle soit en sécurité. Je me suis échappé du Mali. J'ai laissé ma voiture et presque tous mes bagages et suis venu juste avec 2 pantalons.
In almost half the discussion groups Oxfam held, internally displaced people and refugees said they don't think they will be welcome once they return to their homes. However, most people still hope to go back and believe eventually peace will be restored. Abdoulaye, a livestock farmer who chose to remain in the Gao region, says the government must play a key role in reconciliation efforts. New legal reforms need to guarantee human rights to all Malians and hold those who committed crimes accountable. Projects dedicated to developing the North will also contribute to healing deep wounds. Nearly $4 billion in aid has been pledged to help rebuild Mali, and this aid must be managed in a way that equally benefits the people of the region. Taliat, a former businesswoman who chose to stay in Gao, says that if all of these efforts are combined with a frank and open dialogue, peace can be achieved. One thing is clear, all citizens, especially women and the youth, need to participate in a national dialogue if a lasting peace is to be secured.